Right now, almost every tech professional in India is fighting for the exact same AI and data science jobs. It is like a Mumbai local at 9 am. Everyone is trying to squeeze into the same compartment. The market is crowded, the competition is brutal, and let's be honest, salaries are starting to normalize. But while the crowd is fighting for AI, the smartest tech professionals and the biggest IT companies are quietly preparing for the next massive wave. A wave that can create some of the highest paying tech opportunities of the next decade. I am talking about quantum computing. If you missed the cloud computing boom in 2010 or the early AI boom in 2020, trust me, you do not want to miss this one. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what quantum computing is, why the Indian government is betting thousands of crores on it, what kind of careers are opening up, and how you can start building your path in this space. And very importantly, I will also tell you how to choose the right course without wasting your time or money. Hi, I'm Rastogi. I'm an IIM alumnus, author of the book Zero to CEO, and co-founder of RiseUpp.com. Over the last 15 years, I have seen technology trends come and go. I'm not telling you this because quantum sounds futuristic. I'm telling you this because the data is pointing in this direction very clearly. At RiseUpp, we have helped thousands of learners choose the right online degrees and certificate programs for the real career growth. And the biggest mistake I see in this, people upskill in technology that are already crowded, and then they wonder why growth is slow. If you want extraordinary growth, you have to prepare for where the market is going, not where it has already gone. And by the way, if you want honest, practical videos on career growth, online courses, and future-ready skills, subscribe to this channel right now and press the bell icon so you do not miss our upcoming videos. Now let us understand quantum computing in simplest possible way. Imagine you are in Bangalore peak traffic near Silk Board. You need to find the fastest route home. A normal computer checks one route at a time. Route A jammed. Route B construction. Route C too long. It is fast, but it still goes step by step. A quantum computer works differently. Because of quantum physics and qubits, quantum bits, it can evaluate many possible paths at the same time. It is like having hundreds or thousands of versions of yourself checking different routes simultaneously. That is why problems that may take classical computers extremely long time can in some cases be solved much faster with quantum systems. And this is why industries like finance, medicine, cybersecurity, logistics, telecom, and advanced computing are taking quantum computing very seriously. This is not just science fiction anymore. This is because a real career and business opportunity. Now some people say, Hari, is quantum computing just hype? That is a fair question. But let us look at the bigger picture. The world's biggest institutions, government, and companies are investing heavily in this space. Why? Because whoever leads in quantum can shape the future of computing, security, optimization, and advanced problem solving. And this is where things get very interesting for India. India is not sitting quietly. India is going all in. The government of India has already launched the National Quantum Mission with an investment of more than 6,000 crore. This means the country is serious about building capabilities in quantum technologies, secure communication, research, software, and applications. So this is not only a global story, this is a big India story too. And here is the important point most people miss. Quantum is not only for physicists. Quantum is also a software story. It is an AI story. It is a cyber security story. It is a telecom story. It is a product story. It is a services story. So please do not make the mistake of imagining only one job called quantum scientist. The opportunity is much wider than that. Let us break it down. At one end, you have core technological roles like quantum researchers, quantum algorithm engineers, quantum software developers, and quantum simulation specialists. Then you have applied roles like quantum machine learning, hybrid classical quantum systems, optimization, post-quantum cryptography, quantum safe security, secure communication, and quantum networking. Then you have ecosystem roles too. Product managers, solution architects, program managers, business development professionals, and consultants. People who can help companies understand how to apply quantum technologies in real business settings. So if you are from software, AI, data, cybersecurity, telecom, engineering, or product, do not assume quantum is not for you. Now let us address the biggest myth. Many people think I don't have a PhD in physics, so quantum is not for me. That is not simply true. The industry does not need only researchers. It also needs builders, it also needs developers, it needs problem solvers. It needs people who can work on algorithms, software layer, applications, security, and implementation. As per the World Economic Forum, around 2/3 of people in quantum computing would require graduation degree or below. If you know Python, if you are comfortable with logic, and if you are willing to learn the basics of linear algebra and quantum concepts, you can absolutely start building in this field. You do not need to be Einstein. You need to be serious, curious, and willing to learn. And if this is already changing the way you are thinking about your career, hit the like button right now. The small action helps this video reach more students and working professionals who need the right guidance. Now let us talk about money. Honestly, I am not here to give you fake promises or clickbait. I am not going to tell you that you will make 1 crore next month. That is nonsense. But I will tell you this. Salary follows rarity. And right now, quantum ready talent is rare. So remember this, salary follows rarity. And right now, quantum ready talent is rare. When you combine quantum with AI, cybersecurity, optimization, or software engineering, you become much more valuable in the market. You are no longer competing only on generic development jobs. You start moving towards becoming a premium specialist, and premium specialists always get better opportunities over time. This is why the people who prepare early often win big later. Now the next question is obvious. How do you start? The answer is simple. You need a 3-layer roadmap. Layer 1, basic, programming, logic, and mathematical comfort. Layer 2, foundation, understanding qubits, quantum bits, gates, circuits, and many quantum algorithms. And layer 3, domain edge. This is very important. You connect quantum with your current field, whether that is AI, finance, cybersecurity, telecom, analytics, or advanced engineering. This is where most people get stuck because when they go online, they find too many courses. Some are too basic, some are too theoretical, some are too expensive. Some look good only because of the brand name, and many learners waste 6 months in the wrong course. That is exactly why we built RiseUpp.com. RiseUpp.com is India's most trusted platform for online degrees, certificates, and upskilling. At RiseUpp.com, you can explore 12,000 plus courses from 500 plus universities and institutions. But we do not just show you a list and leave you confused. We help you choose the right course based on your background, your budget, your career goal, and your eligibility. So whether you need a short-term certificate, a premium executive program, or a strong career transition path, our team helps you take a more informed decision. That is what makes RiseUpp different. Not noise, not confusion, not random selling. Real guidance, real comparison, and real support. And that is why thousands of learners trust RiseUpp for their career decisions. Now let me tell you what you should do next. If you are serious about building future-ready career, do not leave this to guesswork. Do not blindly pick a course because somebody posted about it on LinkedIn. Do not waste your money just because a brochure looks attractive. Take expert career guidance first. The link is in the description. Fill out the quick 30-second form and the RiseUpp team help you identify the right quantum computing courses or career path for your profile. If you want, you can also call or WhatsApp the RiseUpp team for free counseling. Whether you are from software, AI, telecom, cybersecurity, and any technical background, we will help you understand which path makes the most sense for you. And here is my request. Do it today because the tech industry does not wait. The people who prepared for cloud early became leaders. The people who prepared for AI early moved ahead faster. And the people who prepare for quantum early will have a serious advantage in the years ahead. So take action now. Click the link in the description, fill the form, get expert guidance from RiseUpp, and start building your future with clarity. Also, if you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. On this channel, we share honest course comparison, career guidance, future skill opportunities, and practical advice to help you make better learning decisions. And one more thing, comment quantum below if you want us to create more videos on quantum computing careers, salaries, and best courses in India. I am Rastogi. Stop chasing the crowd, start building the future, get the right guidance, make the right choice, and keep rising. See you in the next video.